Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back here with another video on old school soul food. Today I'm going to be making something as a New Year's Day, New Year's Eve favorite. Today I'm going to be making old school black eyed peas. Now my black eyed peas, when I make them, there's a lot of steps in them. It takes time because I like a lot of meat in my black eyed peas. Some people doesn't, some people do. I like a lot of meat in my peas. So that's why growing up, this used to just be one pot meal. Growing up, beans, peas, stuff like that. Wasn't nothing else in it. Whatever little meat you had in it, that's what you got. And a piece of cornbread, and that was it. So that's why I still continue to do them. First thing I do for black eyed peas, I'm gonna do ham hocks. So what I do, put the ham hocks in here with some onions. And I'm gonna fill this up with water. And this needs to simmer about 3 hours. So I have to simmer about 3 hours, these ham hocks. So you get them going first. Salt and pepper in there, put a little salt and pepper. These are smoked ham hocks. And when they get done, I'm gonna take the meat off of them and put them back in the pot. But I'm gonna use this liquid that I'm cooking the ham hocks in to cook my black eyed peas. So we're gonna get them simmering here on the back of the stove because I got another pot here for something else. Okay, let me cover this up. Okay, ham hocks simmering. Now the next pot I'm gonna use, it's another thing, either you love it or hate it for my black eyed peas. I'm using pigtails and neck bones. I grew up on pigtails and neck bones. That was like a staple meat in my house growing up. Because I mean, when you grow up in the country, you eat any kind of meat you can get. And we wasn't the most wealthiest people growing up, so we just eat whatever we could. So anyway, I got neck bones here and pig's feet. I love these things. I'm gonna put them in the pot and I'm gonna cook them together because they simmer and cook together the same amount of time. Put some onions in there, salt and pepper. And I'm gonna also fill this up with water. And halfway through the cooking process, I'm gonna add a little vinegar to these pig feet and neck bones. I like a little vinegar in mine, so. We're going to put water in this. Alrighty, water in these. Put this on. Okay, that's the first part. Now these going to take about 2 hours to simmer. These going to take about 3 hours to cook. After these short ribs, I keep saying short ribs. After these smoked ham, short hocks get tender, I'm going to put the black eyed peas in here. Black eyed peas don't take no more than an hour to cook. They cook very quickly. They're not like beans. They take about an hour. So I'm gonna put them in there, let them get cooked. Then I'm gonna pick the meat off the bones of this, put it back in there with the black eyed peas. Then I'm gonna add I'm not gonna pick the meat off the neck bones and pig feet. I might leave it to the side. That's a New Year tradition though, growing up. Pig feet and neck bones. I might add some in there depending on how they look when they come out. But anyway, we'll be back in about 3 hours, show you how this come out. We're gonna put this together. We're gonna have some old school black eyed peas with ham hocks, pig's feet, pigtails, and neck bones. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here on the black eyed peas here. Okay, I got my ham hocks simmering. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna take them out of here. Let them cool. I'm gonna pick the meat off of them because I'm gonna add it back to the peas when they're done. Now I got my black eyed peas right here. I washed them out and cleaned them out. I'm gonna pour this in the water. Remember, I got onions already in here, and I'm gonna add some bacon now. I got some chopped bacon I'm gonna put in here. Now these don't take that long to cook, black eyed peas, of course. Take about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. So we're gonna let them cook. Now, when I get back, when them get done, I'm gonna put the meat in here. And y'all remember I had some, see my pig's feet is ready, nice and tender. See them tender, them pigtails. And I got some poke bone, just falling off the bone. See how the meat just fall off the bone? That's going in my black eyed peas too. So, we got all that meat there. Go in these peas. Let these peas start cooking. And I'm gonna let this cool here. The ham hocks. I'm gonna add that to the pot. I'm gonna add all this together. We're gonna have some black-eyed peas with ham hocks and pork bones and pigtails. Don't get no better. And some cornbread to go with it. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, yes, sir. Things are ready. There we go. Black-eyed peas are ready now. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put these. That's the ham hocks. Remember I had on the bone. I took the meat off the bone. Add some ham hocks in there. Look at that. I got ham hocks in there. I got bacon in there. There's some good old black-eyed peas there. Look at that. Look at that. Now, I'm still ain't through. I'm gonna put me some pigtails in there. Now this is optional. Y'all don't have to do this. I put me some pigtails in mine. Oh yeah. And I got me some, look at that. Got me some pork bones. A couple of pork bones in there. All that meat from them pork bones, look at that. All that meat come off them pork bones. Put all that in there. We're gonna stir that up in there. Ooh, man. All that goodness in there. That's all flavor there. Look at that. Old school. You can't get no better than that. Okay. I'm gonna let this set for a minute. I'm gonna turn it off. And I'm gonna come back in 1 minute. We're gonna plate this thing up. Put some cornbread with it. And we're gonna see how these things taste. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back here. We're gonna plate these things up here. Got me some cornbread here. We're gonna plate these things up. Ooh, my God, look at this. There's so much goodness going on in here. Get some pigtail out of there. Little neck bone. Look at meat there. That meat there on that neck bone. There's some more peas there. Don't go wrong. Let me move these to the side. Give me some cornbread here. That's what I'm talking about. Some old school cornbread. Made in the skillet. Get this sucker out of here. Can't go wrong with it. You gotta have cornbread with it. Oh yeah. Alright, that's how I eat mine. Gotta have some pepper sauce on there. Gotta have some hot sauce on there too. Gotta fix it just like I'm gonna eat it. Put some hot sauce. Gotta have some chow on them peas. Got some old school chow on there. So this way it is. That homemade old school chow on them peas. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's see how this thing tastes. Let me give it a taste here. Oh my God. Got the tender, look at that. Pigtail, the ham hock. It's a meal in itself. You don't need nothing else. Cornbread with that. And how tender that neck bone is. Look at that. Y'all definitely need to try this recipe. You definitely got to try this recipe. This is a recipe. Thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.